there are a few things that you need to consider before you look at changing careers. Why? Let me explain. Okay. Remember the definition of changing careers, right? Is totally doing something different from what you are currently doing right now in terms of a career path. And you need to focus on acquiring new skills and experience for this new path.
Thanks for clicking on this short video. This is an extraction from a longer video of a workshop. The link to this longer video is in the description below. There, we discuss other facets of the same issue discussed here. Do take a look too.
I want to bring you to this matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. Okay? Career, industry. Okay? So box 1, same career, same industry. Box 2, same career, different industry. Box 3, different career, same industry. And box 4, everything changed. Let me ask you, which is the most difficult thing to do? Can you type into the chat box, which is the most difficult thing to do? Box. Right? I've got a couple of 4s, 1, 3. Any others? Right. Majority says 4. Majority says 4. And you're right. Okay? When you change career and change industry, right? Your risk of not achieving that is higher because it is more difficult to do. Because in essence, you're trying to reinvent yourself. Reinvent yourself. I'm not saying it's impossible, right? But you need to do a lot of work because the challenges are very high. Now, what is the option? Obviously, the option here could be 2 or 3. Right? If you don't want to stick on to one, either 2 or 3. And this is what we call pivoting. Pivoting, in other words, you are pivoting to one direction or the other, but you're still maintaining something that you are strong in. Right? So you could be pivoting to the same career but different industry, or you could pivot to a different career but the same industry. And then eventually you may end up in box 4 if you plan it right. Okay? So this is something I need you to consider before thinking I want to jump to box 4 straight away. That's my first message. Okay? That's my first message. Now my second message here is this. Think about why you want to change careers. Why do you want to change careers? Actually, this would be the first question I always ask my clients when they come to me and say, Yuan, I want to change careers. My first question will be asking them why. Why? Okay. Now, you may laugh at this, but this is actually very, very important. Okay. If you revisit those issues that you have just listed down early on about an hour ago, okay, what were they? Okay. So I just use the same ones that come up here. Okay. Can any one of you tell me in the chat box which of those issues there would be strong enough for you to change careers totally? Whether it's 2, 3, or 4. What would be the valid reason for you to go to box 2, 3, or 4? Can you type into the chat box? What do you think what reasons would be valid for you to change to box 2, 3, or 4? Okay, some says passion, misalignment, burnout, misalignment, health concerns, misalignment with values and all. Okay, yeah. So I think you're on the right track. Okay, essentially, if you look at it, right, misalignment, job insecurity, new passion, entrepreneur's pursuit, right, work-life balance. Some of you may think work-life balance and health concerns may be related. Actually, yes and no. Okay, but I put down work-life balance because sometimes certain jobs' nature forces us to rethink about the things that we're doing. Okay. So if you look at this, right, essentially, not every reason, not every issue is actually a good issue for you to think about changing careers. Okay? Because if you look at it, are you running away from your problems if you change careers? Because if you change to another career, would the problems still come back to you? If they do, then maybe it's not about the careers or anything. Maybe it's about how you handle things yourself. Okay? So that's important. Okay? That's important. Alright? So think about this. What is the real reason for you to wanting to change careers? Hi! Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you've seen and can't wait for the next one, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel in the link below. See you soon.